Hi, Bob and Jack. Go.
Hello, my name is Jack. Hello, my name is Bobby.
So, how would you consider yourself friends?
Well, we're not friends. We're brothers. We hate each other. Leave me alone, Jack. Leave me alone, Bob. You see, we don't really like each other.
And why would that be? Can you tell us the story?
Well,
Be detailed, please.
my name is Jack. One night, my mom gave birth to me. 5 minutes later, she gave birth to that thing right there.
Dun, dun, dun.
Excuse me? Did you just call me a thing? Yes, I did. Do you have a problem with that? Yes, I do. Talk to the hand. Well, I kind of have to. You're the only hand you have. Duh. Excuse me? Are you calling me dumb? Oh, yes, I am. No, you're not. Yes, I am. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Shut up! Excuse me? I don't think you want to see this violence, cameraman.
Okay. Behind the scenes of Bob and Jack is Rowan Muhammad Timmy.
This is Jack. This is Bob. You see, they don't really like each other. But under these two little socks, inside are these two hands. You see, the two hands. Bob and Jack are Rowan Amy, as you can see. Thank you.